Hey, it's Vita. Welcome back to my channel. The tripod is actually really old, the one that I'm using, so it's slightly slanted on one side. I'm sorry, I tried my best to fix it. Anyway, today I'm going to try and make the recipes that are actually on the containers or packages of food. Because when I was younger, I've always wondered if those recipes were actually good. But you know, my family, coming from an Asian family, did not actually have all those ingredients, and for lack of monetary resources, I didn't get a chance to make any of those. But now that I am a young, working adult, I can finally get to those. Right here, I have two things. One is the classic, the first one is this classic peanut butter from Kraft. Kraft has always had this peanut butter cookie recipe at the back of their jars, and I've always wondered how good it is. So we're gonna make that today. While those are baking in the oven, I'm also going to try and making some smoothie at the back of this strawberry bag I found at Costco. Here it is called Sabrina's Oriental Infused Smoothie, and it just so happens that I have most of the ingredients. So I'm gonna make this one as well, and those are the two things I'm gonna try out making today. For this recipe, I had a jar of peanut butter, some brown sugar, and an egg. Here I'm just putting in some sugar in, then I'm putting 1 hump of peanut butter. I actually make that 2 humps of peanut butter. It was super sticky. And then an egg. And that's it. Only 3 ingredients. Some sugar. It is 1 cup, half a cup of sugar, and 1 egg. I don't understand. Right now I have a cup of strawberries, a tablespoon of honey, and I also have vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. I'm only gonna use half of it because it requires half a cup. I also have some chia seeds because the recipe does say that you can customize it with some chia seeds. I know that I am taking out the basil leaves. This is not an alternative. I'm just adding it in for additional nutrients and texture. I don't know if texture is a real thing, but we'll put that there. I brewed the green tea ahead of time, and also it's been sitting in the fridge, so it is now chilled and ready for the smoothie. Whoop. A little bit of honey in it. Add a little bit of strawberries just to top it off. I always get a little bit freaked out about blenders because I've had experiences where they just blast off and start smoking. So it is now done-o. I'm gonna pour it out now and see how it tastes. I finally finished the 2 dishes that I said I would make today, which are the peanut butter cookies as recommended by Kraft, plus the strawberry smoothies recommended by the freezer bag that I got at Costco. Now I'm gonna see if the recommended recipes are actually as good as I hoped they would be. I do want to caveat, I did do some alterations, especially with the peanut butter cookies, because that recipe, I tried to add a little bit more sugar at the end and it still didn't thicken. So I tried, I don't really want to get diabetes after this, so I put in some coconut flour just to thicken it up. We have the peanut butter cookies here and the strawberry smoothie. Let's try the peanut butter cookie first. I know this one looks like someone took a bite out of it. It's because it just broke in the oven when I was picking it up. It's not bad. I mean, it's edible for sure. It definitely tastes like peanut butter. And it's not as sweet as I thought. So, verdict, yeah, I could finish this plate. Would I want to make more? Nah, not so much. Wash it down with a little bit of smoothie now. It's actually not bad.
I would make it again. 10 out of 10 would recommend. There's something about the green tea that I put in here that really gives it a nice bitter contrast with the sweetness of the honey and the vanilla yogurt. The strawberries that I have right now are not particularly sweet, they're more tart if anything. So overall, a well-balanced smoothie to accompany some decent peanut butter cookies. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me on this episode of Is This Recipe Worth It? And hey, I got some cookies, I got a smoothie, I can't complain just to end off the week. Bye!